I'm Dr. Ho, teach TESOL like a pro.
Ready to mingle some fun into your English class? Join me for the mix and match activity and let the chatter begin. Step 1. Mix the students. Break the ice. Shuffle everyone up. Let's get random. Give out question cards. Sometimes you can spice it up with poker cards to assign secret identities. Other times, just ask them to be their true selves. Step 2. Match students with the same background. Now walk around and ask your classmates the theme question to find someone who matches you. Example. Theme, what is your card color? Everyone repeats. What is your card color? Ready, go.
What is your card color?
I'm red.
Oh no, we don't match.
I'm black.
Great, we match.
Step 3. Practice the conversation. Now that you've found a match, time to role play. Role. Information Center Receptionist versus Tourist.
What time does the bus leave for Disneyland?
You can take bus 47. It leaves in 15 minutes.
Step 4. Mix and match again and exchange cards. Second round. New question, new match. Say it together. What's your card number? Once matched, swap your question cards and get ready for a new conversation. Find a new partner. Go. Step 5. Practice the conversation again. Let's dive into the next role play.
Excuse me, do you know which bus goes to Disneyland? Number 15 bus.
Whether it's zodiac signs, birth months, or blood types, this game gets your students talking, laughing, and learning. Give it a try and mix things up in your classroom.